Hey, what is up YouTube? I am back with another very high quality tutorial. Today I want to show you how you can jailbreak any iPhone and any version of iPhone you want. There's no restrictions to it. You can do this on any iPhone you want. So let me just get straight into it. Alright, so you're gonna open up any browser you want and you're gonna type in easyrewarding.com/jailbreak and you're gonna enter. Now you're gonna see this page right here. What you're gonna do is click verify compatibility. It's gonna take you to this right here. Choose the iOS version you have. For me, I want the latest one, which is iOS 14.3. You could be seeing this video after more iOS versions come out, so just choose the iOS version you're on and then click here and select the iPhone you have. I have an iPhone 7, so I'm going to select that and click done. Now I'm going to verify compatibility. It's verifying that my phone can actually have CD on it. It can actually be jailbroken. Alright, it verified that my phone is compatible, so let's start the jailbreaking process. This should not take too long. Oh, it failed automatic verification, so we have to do it manually. This isn't too hard though. Just click here, and now you're gonna see two apps. It depends on where you are from. It's gonna be different for everyone. Just install two apps. Don't worry, you can uninstall them later. All you have to do is run each app for 30 seconds and then you can uninstall it later. But all you have to do is run it for 30 seconds or just follow the instructions on here. And I'm gonna do that real quick and then bring you guys back. Alright guys, I just installed the two apps and I ran each of them for 30 seconds. Now I'm gonna start my phone. I don't want to bore you with this process, so I'm just gonna restart it and then we'll see if it actually worked and if I have Cydia. Guys, look what I have after I restarted my phone. Look right here. Let me get this a little closer. Cydia, it actually worked. Let me even click so I can show you. Let me focus. Okay, look here. Cydia, and it's fully functional. I told you guys this site is amazing and I didn't even need anything. I didn't need a laptop. I didn't need anything. It's totally free and I just did this in 5 minutes. Now I have Cydia and everything's working. Definitely recommended. By the way, I have the link to this website in my description if you wanna do this for yourself. Other than that, don't forget to subscribe, and that's it for this video.